Med nga adlaw sa tanan, sa kadya nga adlaw kang Huwebes, Oktubre 31, 2024, radya kita sa talad sa may Antique Police Provincial Office, agad pamangkuton kung ano ang preparasyon kang Antique Police sa paraabuton nga undas.
In connection to the observance of the usual undas, no, the all souls and saints day that will be on November 1 and 2, the Antique PPO crafted an implant in relation also to the implant of PRO6 for the security coverage for the All Saints Day and All Souls Day. As I said, that will be on November 1 and 2. So, on the part of Antique PPO, we will engage the community, no, for crime prevention and security matters. We will also direct our local forces or the municipal police station of 18 municipalities, no, for the deployment of their strong police personnel, because Antique PPO will deploying more than 1,000 police force in the entire cemeteries in the province of Antique. So accordingly, in the province, we have 52 private and public cemeteries entirely. So we will be establishing police assistance desk in the area sa dira mismo sa entrance o kung sa lapit gid lang nga area sang aton nga mga cemeteries. So the hubs or the centers will be manned by police personnel, no? And then there will also be active participation of some other government agencies like the Bureau of Fire Protection, the Department of Public Works and Highways, ang aton nga mga MDR kaga PDRR MO, kaga ang iban pa nga agency, no, concerned agencies. So we will also tap the help of our force multipliers to include our barangay officials and tanods, only to ensure the peaceful and orderly observance of ONDAS 2024.
Sir, saan okay na nag-start the deployment sa mga cemeteries and until when sa meron to?
So for now, the local police is now visiting their designated areas or cemeteries only to see to it that there is no untoward incident that might happen in the area. As a matter of crime prevention, they will do the patrols in the area, police visibility, and then the usual conduct of checkpoints. So deployment will properly start early in the morning tomorrow. But as I said, for now, we can see now police presence in the municipalities, not only in the cemeteries, but other convergence places like terminals, beaches, hotels, markets, and sa mga church na. So we will ensure that our police will be there to provide area security and for immediate response in any untoward incidents that might happen in the respective area of jurisdiction.
Assistance desk, sir, saan po establish until when?
It will be tomorrow. We will set it that early morning, probably 6 a.m. It will be there, established na siya, no? Hindi lang na sa assistance desk, may hubs na sa daw centers wherein you can see in in a tent comprising of personnel of PNP, Bureau of Fire Protection, Coast Guard Composite Team, PDR ara man na da. It's PG ara man na until November 2 in the evening. So if we see augmentation from other province or from PRO6, why na nag-request ang aton nga provincial director? Ang i-maximize ta lang ang personnel sang PPO, no? Nga mag-perform sang ilang duty in this ondas, no? Ang tanan nga personnel sa municipal police station, as I said, may mga tasking na sila. Kahibalo na ang chief of police nila kung diin sila i-deploy. So kami diri sa Antique PPO, sa headquarters, we will do the red teaming, no? We will inspect our deployed police personnel sa mga sementeryo or kung sa diin nga area. Kay aside from ondas, as you can see, Antique PPO nag-initiate gani nga mag-deploy sang ila personnel sa public plaza. May integrated patrol deployment plan kami nga ginatawag nga ang iba namon nga personnel diri sa PPO gina-deployed namon sa area to conduct patrol, patrol, mobile patrol, community engagement para lang ma-ensure ang presensya sang police for crime prevention.
May pahanumduman si Police Lieutenant Colonel Jel sa mga pumuluyo nga magabisita sa sementeryo.
Ang mga prohibited things or acts nga dapat i-observe sang aton nga mga visitor sa cemeteries, ini ang pagbawal sa ilang hindi magdala sa mga deadly weapons, whether it was a knife, a gun, or other pointed instruments. Also, they are not allowed to bring intoxicating liquors and do gambling inside the cemeteries. Further, disallow taman ang paggamit bila sa mga sound system nga daw medyo makahatag bila sang gahod sa sulod sang sementeryo. Kay when visiting the tombs or your loved ones, dapat pagsindi tato kandila mga di patana mo. We will say a prayers for the souls of the dead, no? So amo na siyang mga bagay nga i-prohibit sa mga visitors nga nagabisita sa sementeryo. We will post prohibited acts upon entry of the cemetery, and we will also distribute sa flyers, crime prevention flyers, so that our visitors will be reminded of what to do. It is not only on the area of cemetery, but we will also reminding them that personal safety also matters. So parehas na karon ang paghalin nila sa ilang nga balay, anong dapat nila nga himuon para nga maibitar ta ang sunog o kon ang forced entry sa ilang nga domestic. Ang aton kapulisan, although ondas na, but we are not lowering our guards, no? So ang mga usual police operation, ara gid na iya. Kung may ready to implement, i-implement gina nila ya, no? Kung may mga search warrant na sila yang na-apply, approve naman na sang korte, i-implement gina nila, no?
Halin sa Antique Police Provincial Office para sa Buena Vista Update, Ranali Francisco.